Today we're going to be having a quick look at these Boots 40 coloured lights. So I got these in a bundle, and at first I thought they were Pifco lights, like late model Pifco lights. They could possibly be Pifco lights, but these are Boots. For any of my US subscribers, Boots is Walgreens in the UK pretty much. It's got a serial number on it, nothing else. Made in China. Now although these are plain Jane modern Christmas lights, you could still buy these up until not long ago before everything went completely LED. What is interesting about these and why I like them, and also why I thought they may be Pifco or made by the same people who made the Pifco lights, is they have classic coloured bulbs on them. No shades, there's no way you can actually put a shade on unless you can find a push fit that fits, but there's your fuse bulb, you've got clear bulbs, you've got these almost purple pink bulbs. It's a really nice dark pink purple colour, similar to what the old Christmas lights used to run. And then you've got your green, and you've got an orange, and then you got your blue and your red, really deep dark colours. And I was quite surprised by these. I was quite taken by the colours that I actually put them on a tree last year. Let's get them turned on. But look how fantastic those colours are. Really deep, dark, warm colours. There's a bit of banding on the blue lights. It's almost greeny yellow to me, not so much for the camera. But it's these purple ones. These purple ones are fantastic. They really contrast nicely against the green as well. I mean, they're a very, very plain set of lights. Oh, we've got a bulb out. Come on, you're gonna work. Oh, yeah, they're a very plain set of lights, but they look really good on a tree. They're a nice and classic style of lights. Now, here's some pictures of Pifco's plain shadeless lights, and they are very, very similar. The bulbs are quite long. They've got the plain bulb holders, no bayonet fit, no way to fit a shade on, again, unless you use some kind of a push fit. But they're nice and classy. These are probably going to be what you would consider the last breath of classic lights before they vanished, and you might be able to still get classic lights, but most of them now are LED. I do like the LED lights that have little caps that look like classic bulbs. The first time I saw them in warm white, and I thought, you know what, they're cool, they're quite good. It's just a shame you can't get some kind of I mean, I just wish they did them in sets of 20 and sets of 40 with Pifco bulb holders on them, so you can retrofit your Pifco lights to some, nice, vivid, bright LED bulbs. But just a quick, short video. Just thought I'd share these with you because I quite like them. They're a modern set of lights, but I quite like them. I think they look really nice and classy. Do you have any of these? Do you have any last breath modern lights before they went LED? If you do, let us know in the comments below. Always nice to read the comments. But there you go, a set of 40 coloured lights sold in Boots, and they have 6 different varieties of colour on the string. I like them. What do you think? Anyway, I'll catch you on the next one.